The Epomaker TH80 Pro V2 is a 75% mechanical keyboard that offers a blend of enthusiast-grade features and affordability, making it an appealing choice for both newcomers and seasoned users. Design and build quality. Available in two color schemes, off-white with beige and burgundy accents, and black and gray, the TH80 Pro V2 exudes a retro-inspired aesthetic. The keyboard features a plastic chassis, which, while contributing to its lightweight design at approximately 700 grams, exhibits some flex. Switches and typing experience. Equipped with Epomaker's pre-lubricated Mulan linear switches, the TH80 Pro V2 offers a smooth and responsive typing feel. The gasket-mounted design, combined with multiple layers of foam, contributes to a slightly bouncy and comfortable typing experience, producing a satisfying acoustic profile. Connectivity and battery life. The TH80 Pro V2 supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connections, providing flexibility for various setups. It houses a 3000 mAh battery, delivering up to 8 hours of usage with RGB lighting enabled. Overall, the Epomaker TH80 Pro V2 stands out as a compelling option for those seeking a feature-rich mechanical keyboard at an affordable price point. Its combination of a satisfying typing experience, customizable features, and distinctive design makes it a noteworthy contender in the mechanical keyboard market. Thank you so much.